Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Emily Malongines Palma. I'm 34 years old. I'm college graduate taking up computer technology, and I'm married. I have 2 children.
Okay, so have you ever experienced working as a domestic helper before?
Yes, I have here in the Philippines.
For how many years?
3 years.
Okay, so since you have experience working as a domestic, what is your main duties?
My duties is to take care of children, 2 years old, a boy,
Okay,
and aside that, I'm take care of an elderly, 60 years old.
okay. So aside from taking care the little boy and the elderly person, what is your other duties?
Cleaning house and
Did you do laundry?
laundry and ironing clothes.
Did you do also cooking?
Also cooking.
Okay, so what is your main reason why you want to work in Hong Kong?
My main reason is to support my children and my family.
Okay, so finally, can you give the message to your future employer?
Hello to my dear employer. I promise to work hardly and obey your rules and regulations. And I promise to finish my contract.
Okay, can you promise also to be a loving and patient with their children?
Yes, I
Oh.
love your children.
Okay, so hopefully that you will be hired in Hong Kong very soon. Before we end this interview, kindly show your very best smile.